Splash, Simba, Hydrox, and Boo, the LuckyFerals.
Good morning, Splash. The cats had a slumber party last night. I fell asleep on the couch. The cats are all still tired. It's a little early today. The cats were up late. They're not morning cats. It is 9:52 a.m. right now. And what I've been doing in the morning is that when Boo does not finish all of his food, I put whatever is left on his plate in his room so he could go back and finish eating it. Well, today, I just walked into his room because I need to do something in here. And I saw Stella in his room, and I was like, oh, hi, Stella, how are you? And then I heard like horror movie music in my head, and I was like, oh no, Stella! Because the reason Stella's in Boo's room is so that she could eat whatever was left of his food. Right now it is 6:49 p.m. I just got home, and as I was walking across the patio, Hydrox greeted me with some meows, and Splash was just inside the door, kind of talking to Hydrox on the other side. But when I took the camera out, they both walked away. Now Boo's looking to see what's going on. Here's Hydrox. I just gave Hydrox his food. He's getting 3 scoops of the homemade raw food. And I also mixed in like a heaping spoonful of chicken baby food, which he really likes and he hasn't had that in a while. And some water and herbs. So he went over to the wrong bowl. Like, I don't feed him in that bowl when it's cold out. I give him food in the heated kitty cafe, and I'm not moving it because it's frozen and it will freeze. So, he'll go to the heated kitty cafe once I go inside. But it smells like burning wood out right now. Like, I don't know if someone has a fire pit going. Like, I don't know what the deal is, but it smells like if you ever have like a fire in the fireplace, but like the chimney's not open and then you get a bunch of smoke in the house. That's what it smells like. I mean, it's a really strong smell of like fireplace or fire pit right now. It's so strong, in fact, that when I go inside, I reek of it. So, yeah, it must be one of the neighbors, but I don't see any smoke. It is 6:55 p.m. and I noticed that Hydrox had not gone over to the food yet. So I went back outside and I pointed to the food and I said, Hydrox, your food is in here. It's in the kitty cafe. So then I came back inside. And once I did that, then he just went over to eat his food, which is good. So what I'll do is I'll feed the other cats, and in a little while I'll go outside and I'll look, and if he finished all of the food, like, I'll give him some canned food. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just about to feed the cats. Stella's down here. I thought Boo was on the steps, but look at Boo's tail. Oh my gosh. I don't know what happened to Boo, but something scared him. Look how fluffy Boo's tail is. Oh my gosh, Boo, are you okay? What happened? What happened, Boo? Are you okay? Are you okay? Your tail's so fluffy. Well, now it's coming down a little bit. Oh my gosh, Boo, are you okay? Boo always has like the skinniest tail. That happened so fast, I have no idea who threw the first punch. It's crunchy time. I'm just about to give the cats their crunchies. And all 4 of them were right here, like one big happy family. They were all so close together. It is 9:55 a.m. Good morning, Hydrox. How are you today? I just gave Hydrox 3 scoops of the homemade raw food. I mixed in some crushed up raw mixers, the Nature's Variety freeze-dried chicken bites. I gave him water, I gave him herbs. I refilled the water in the heated kitty cafe. It's still really cold out. All the water's frozen in the stainless steel bowl. And we might get snow in a few days. I hope we don't, though. Hydrox is looking very handsome today, right, Hydrox? Look at the camera. Hydrox wants me to go inside so he can eat. Okay, Hydrox, I'll go inside so you can eat, okay. The cats got some mail, so let's open this package and see what they got. Splash was already trying to open the package. There's some tooth marks in the side here. He made it easier for me to open it. This says, "Hi Lucky, enjoy your gift from Janet Stemper." Ooh, look at this. Salad in a jar. Green and gourmet salads to take and shake on the go. 68 recipes for salads and dressings. This looks so great because I'm always using my mason jars to take stuff with me to my office. Your solution to the lunchtime salad rut. Inspired, easy recipes for healthy eating on the go. Discover the health-boosting benefits of fresh vegetables, heart-healthy fats, delicious dressings, and hearty whole grains. Find the perfect salad to help keep you satisfied from lunch to dinner, or the perfect snack for a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. Energize your day with easy-to-follow, nutritionally balanced, and tasty recipes. Learn simple ways to incorporate fresh produce into your diet every day. That is so cool. Oh, look, and there's photos inside. Tuna, fennel, and white bean salad in a mason jar. That looks yummy. Tomato, mozzarella, and arugula. I just bought arugula yesterday, and there's like avocado here. This looks really good. Grilled pepper, beans, and goat cheese. Black bean and corn. Arugula, fennel, and parmesan. Oh, these are lots of great ideas. Celery and parmesan. Sprouts, parmesan, and pecans. Veggie draw. This is really a great idea. Oh, and then there's vinaigrettes. Apple cider vinaigrette, red wine vinaigrette, green goddess. I very rarely buy store-bought dressing, and when I do, it's usually Trader Joe's just because I like trying some of their new dressings. This is so cool. Thank you so much, Janet. Oh, wow. Check this out. Certified 100% organic Icelandic ocean kelp. And then it has some kind of names. Mineral supplement for dogs and cats. World's finest quality kelp. Ecologically and sustainably harvested from the pure, unpolluted remote reaches of northern Iceland. Processed at low temperature using geothermal heat. This is so awesome. Thank you so much, Janet. Now I will use this kelp specifically for the raw food that I make for the cats. The kelp that I bought in Whole Foods, it's like the little container of kelp. I've actually been using it myself. Like I had some of that in my morning smoothie. So this will be great to just put aside and use specifically for their food. Thank you so much, Janet. This is an awesome surprise. It is 12:39 p.m. right now, and I'm just about to leave for my day. There's a live stream going on. Stella's having a slumber party. And the Queen is listening to her favorite classical music. Right, Stella? I know you can't hear it, but everyone who's watching you can hear it. Stella's here with 4 round cat beds. She's waiting for everyone else to join her. So when the live streams are going on, the music that you hear on the live stream, the cats don't hear it. It's only played via the computer that is streaming the video. I know some people have wondered about that and have asked some questions about that. So no, the cats don't hear the music. It is 6:39 p.m. I just got home a few minutes ago. I gave Hydrax his food. He's getting 3 scoops of the homemade raw food with water and herbs. And if he eats all of that, I'll go give him some more food. So, while he's eating, I'll feed the inside cats. It's about 7 p.m. right now. We just ended today's live stream. I want to give a shout out to Nine Scatudio for the $10 super chat. She says, thank you for giving them all a home. Every cat deserves one. I totally agree with you, Nine. And if you haven't already checked out her YouTube channel, head over to Nine Scatudio and check it out. There are so many cute cat videos there. It's awesome. It is 9 p.m. right now. And that was the closest that Boo has ever gotten to going in one of the round cat beds. So I put Zoa's blankets in 3 of the cat beds because Simba was on top of the other one in the cat tower. And after I did that, I sprinkled some catnip in all the beds. And I wanted to see like who would go in the beds with the catnip, and I also just wanted to give the cats a treat. They haven't had catnip in a while. And so Splash was in one, Simba was in another one, and Boo was like half in another one. It was like the 3 of them. It was so cool. But then I turned the camera on and Boo had to leave. Thank you for watching this LuckyFerals video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you'd like me to post more videos, and please make sure to check out these other videos that were selected especially for you.